In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Canva. Page numbers make multi-page designs like presentations, reports, and portfolios easier to navigate, and Canva gives you a simple, automated way to add them without numbering each page by hand. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. On the left-hand side, look for the sidebar and click on Text. This opens the Text Tools panel. Inside that panel, find the Dynamic Text section. Dynamic Text is a set of smart placeholders that update automatically across your design, and that's exactly what we want for numbering. Click Page Numbers. As soon as you select Page Numbers, Canva adds numbers across your pages instantly. You'll see them appear in a consistent style, so you don't have to place or type anything manually on each page. From here, customize the format to match your document. If you prefer a clean, minimal look, choose numbers only. If you want a clear label, choose page and then the number. And if your audience needs to know both the current page and the total, choose page X of Y. That last option is especially helpful for printed handouts or longer decks because it shows progress at a glance. Next, decide which pages should display the numbers. Use the page selection controls that come with the page number feature to include or exclude specific pages. For example, many people leave the cover or title page unnumbered and begin numbering on the first content page. Make your selections and confirm. Canva applies your choices across the design, so you don't have to manage each page individually. That's really all there is to it. Once the page numbers are in place, they'll update automatically if you add, remove, or reorder pages, which keeps everything accurate as your project evolves. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Make sure your design has more than one page so the numbering is meaningful. Choose the format that best matches your document's tone and length, and glance through your pages to ensure the numbers are easy to read against your backgrounds. If a page is visually busy, consider a format that includes the word page for clarity, or ensure the number sits on a calmer area. With these steps, your Canva project gains clean, consistent page numbering that looks professional and saves you time. Follow along, apply the format you prefer, choose which pages should show numbers, and your document is ready to share or print.